guys, so welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you are coming across this channel or you are seeing this smiley face for the first time, my name is Ugochukwu Ezinne and you are highly welcome. Relax and have fun, okay? So in this particular video today, I'll be showing you the 3 ways which I use aloe vera plants for a healthy hair growth. All you have to do is to watch this video till the end, and trust me, it's something that you will love to try. I have my aloe vera here. I've washed it to remove all the dirt. I will go ahead to start prepping it. The first thing I will do is to cut the edges. Yeah, this is how thick it is. So I will go ahead to, I prefer to cut them in these sizes so that it will be easy for me to work with. So what I will do, the usual something, you can see this yellow something here, yellowish fluid. You can see them, this yellowish fluid that you can see here. So I will add it into water and allow it to sit. So I have to use a bigger stuff because I need to remove all the stuff. So now I have it all cleaned up and looking sparkling clean, and I will go ahead to open it up. You can see very well cleaned. Yeah. Oh, so for me, this is where the main work is, trying to get the gel out of the leaf. And trust me, if you are using the leaf that is not matured, I will recommend you go for mature leaves, because if you are using the one that is not well matured, it will be very hard for you to get out the gel from it, because the skin will be following the gel. So after that, I had to press on it to get the gels out. This is what I have here, and I can still use it. So it's actually satisfying. Like, I love touching aloe vera gel. So the first thing I do is I grab my towel. We have to take my hair one after the other and apply this to it. You have to be very careful at this point, at this particular stage, because this gel can be so messy. If you are not careful, you are going to mess up your clothes and everything around you. So you have to be very calculative and very careful in order not to mess everywhere up. Comb, oh, very easy. Like, the comb will be going through. It's so easy to comb, guys. You can see. Then after combing it, I will have to. Then I will also dry. Oh my God! Oh, you have to start from the tip and go as you go. So this comb, welcome to. So I'll go ahead to also apply it. I'm sure it also touches there, and it's a detangler, you can imagine. Combing it will be lots easier for you. This way you will not have much hair loss while combing your hair. So anytime you take your hair out, like, you can use this to detangle, make it easier for you to comb. Yeah. Now it is so easy to comb. You know, even especially when your hair is due. You know, when your hair is due, that it's also a lot of work combing it. But with this, the second method in which I use aloe vera plants to grow and have a healthy, relaxed hair is this second one that I am going to show you, which is the pre-poo method. Okay, I do it most times if I want to wash my hair. So this is the method you can use if you want to wash your hair. I'll be making use of the remaining gel that I have here. You can see it's still so much. So what I will do is I will apply it. I will apply it like I will have to use it to coat. So I will massage it on my scalp. Then I will hold it together and yeah, then I will hold it together and I will use I will use my shower cap to cover it. After covering it with shower cap, I use my hair towel to cover it. This hair towel, you can put it this way or this way, just for extra heat. It is very thick, so what I do is I roll it, then use the rubber here. It is going to generate a lot of heat, and the aloe vera juice or the aloe vera gel is going to penetrate into my hair follicle and do what they needed to do. Okay, so I will have to carry it like this for like 1 hour before I wash it out and come back for the third method. Okay, so stay tuned and go nowhere. So guys, I am done washing it out, and while exercising the 1 hour wait, I had to start the process of making the third method. Okay, that's the third way of using aloe vera on your hair for a massive hair growth. So guys, this is my aloe vera oil, and I will go ahead to section my hair and apply it on the roots of my hair. And I have my tail comb.
If you have not liked the video, kindly do that. Don't forget to also subscribe if you have not subscribed. Don't also forget to put on the bell notification so that you'll be able to get notified each time I drop a new video. Don't forget that in this channel, we do skincare and also hair care. Okay, so whatever I learn new, I will sure bring it to you guys. Don't forget to share if you find it interesting. There is no how you will use aloe vera in these 3 ways that you will not see results. Aloe vera is a very good Ayurvedic plant for your hair. Aloe vera gel has been used over decades for detangling of hair, especially our African hairs. You know how our African hair is usually is. So it is a very good detangler. It helps to make your hair soft and cleanse your hair follicles. It's going to make your hair follicles to be free of dirt, like it's going to enhance the blood circulation in your hair follicles. And don't forget to always massage. You know, I always ring it in this channel. Massage your hair whenever you are working with it, whenever you are applying something on your hair, because that massage will actually help whatever you are using on your hair to penetrate deep into your hair follicles and do what they are meant to do. Okay, so don't always forget to massage and massage. At the end of this treatment, I was feeling my hair so soft, so cleaned, and so shiny. Like this video didn't even do justice to it. My hair was so shiny, so smooth, and very beautiful to touch. I was just feeling it, and yeah, I enjoyed it.
That's all for this video, guys. If you have watched to this extent, you are my real G, and I really appreciate you, and I urge you to try this method, to try these three methods. You will not regret ever using aloe vera in these three methods on your hair. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't also forget to stay safe out there, and see you in my next video. Bye.